Thank you for joining us. We are the Opulent Explorer, and this is Just Back, Belmond La Samanna. This is the lead-in room at La Samanna. It's within the main hotel, just steps from the pool. Beautiful view of the beach. Breakfast is served daily, here overlooking the pool and the beach. This was our room, a one-bedroom with a kitchenette. These all dot the beach, beautiful balconies. That's your chair, it just steps outside of the door. Big bathroom. Up on the bluff are the 3 and 4 bedroom villas. They have wraparound terraces, private infinity pool, oversized kitchen with Viking appliances. They're generally over 4,600 feet. Housekeeping is twice daily and a 24-hour villa host, among many, many other incredible amenities for these one-of-a-kind luxuries. Here's an example of the 2-bedroom. Beautiful large living room just off of the terrace. That's the master on the right. Outside of this little terrace is a door that leads to your kitchenette, and this out to the beach and a very large outdoor sitting area, very private. Just dotting the beach just like the rest of the 1-bedrooms. Right there is also another 2-bedroom. Combinable, 2 families are next to each other or can be arranged. Your steps from your beach, those are your chairs. The bluff with the villas, the pools, the main hotel, and lunch. One of the things I love about this 2-bedroom is they will arrange a barbecue for you here. They'll give you everything set up, clean up, but you can sit out there and barbecue. That's the master and the master bath. This 2nd bedroom is either a king or 2 fulls. These might be twins, actually. And then back into the main living room before showing you the kitchenette.